Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making classic South Indian tomato fried rice, Thakkali Sadam. I have 6 cups of cooked basmati rice here. This is leftover rice, day old, cold, 6 cups basmati rice. We need 3 medium tomatoes. Go for a nice ripe red tomatoes. Also with the tomato, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. It will just enhance the tomato flavor even more. 1 medium size of onion, but I'm using shallots here, so 3 medium size of shallots finely chopped. I'll need 4 garlic cloves, 2 green chillies, around half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, handful of coriander for garnish. I have 2 sprigs of curry leaves here for tempering and garnish. For the tomatoes, I'm going to keep it easy and simple. I will grind it into a puree. For the garlic, I'm going to lightly bash it and finely chop it. So 2 green chilies, bite-sized pieces, finely diced shallots. This will be around half a cup. Our ingredients are ready. Let's start the cooking. Heat a pan on medium flame. Add 1/4 cup of sesame seed oil. This is the Indian variety, or 3 tablespoon oil. We add 1 teaspoon of channa dal and 1 teaspoon of white urad dal. Allow it to fry for 1 to 2 seconds. Add 2 whole dried red chillies. Fry them too till they're nice and crispy. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow it to crackle. Chopped onions, shallots and garlic. Now we'll saute them until the onion turns translucent, so around 2 to 3 minutes. Salt to taste. Now add the freshly grated ginger and green chilies. Next we add in our curry leaves, 1 sprig, teaspoon of asafoetida powder, hing. We'll add 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now we add in our tomato puree. In addition, we'll add 1 tablespoon of our store-bought tomato concentrate. Now this we will cover and cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Reduce it till the oil comes to the surface. Keep checking in between and stirring between. The tomatoes have reduced and the oil has come up. Give this a quick stir. To this we'll add 1 tablespoon of ghee. You must add ghee to your Thakkali Sadam. And now for the secret ingredient. It is our humble sambar powder. 1/4 teaspoon of sambar powder. So we turn off the flame. It's done, it's ready. Now all we need to do is add some fresh curry leaves and freshly chopped coriander leaves. We'll add in our rice. We'll give this a good mix. So all we're doing now is heating up our rice, mixing it all together. Now we're ready to serve. Try this flavor-packed comfort food that you will definitely keep coming back to. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.